अगर आप बी, बीन और बीइंग के यूज में कंफ्यूज होते हैं तो ये वीडियो लेसन आपके लिए है। इस वीडियो को 1 मिनट के लिए भी स्किप मत करिएगा, नहीं तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको पूरी तरह से समझ में नहीं आएगा। हेलो गाइस, आई एम डॉक्टर सलोनी नंदन एंड यू आर वाचिंग लर्न इंग्लिश विद मी। सो गाइस, today I have this video to make the use of the word be, B-E-E-N, been and B-E-I-N-G, being easy for you. Be is the V1 form or the base form of the verb be. Present form of be is am, are. Past form or V2 form of be was, were. Was is used with singular nouns and pronouns and were is used with plural nouns and pronouns. Present participle or progressive form of be is being, B-E-I-N-G, being. Past participle or perfect form of be is been, B-E-E-N, been, which is V3 form of the verb to be. Future form of be, you all know what it is. It is will be. Perfect participle form of be is the base form of the verb to be. be का यूज मेन वर्ब की तरह भी होता है और हेल्पिंग वर्ब की तरह भी होता है। इस पे मैंने पहले ही एक वीडियो बनाया हुआ है। You can watch this video by clicking on the link given in the description below. First rule of using be. Be is used after to, to. Simply याद रखें कि be का use to के बाद होता है। Examples: I want to be fluent in English. To be. You need to be ready for school by 6:30. To be. She is learning to be vocal. I promise to be on time for the meeting. You have to be smart to deal with them. Let us look at the use of be in with other words also. Be is used after should, could and would. Let's look at the examples. You should be proud of yourself. This trip could be more interesting. I would be happy to be with you. Let us look at the use of the verbs been and being. लोग बहुत बार कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं इन दोनों वर्ड्स में बिकॉज ये दोनों वर्ड्स सिमिलर साउंड करते हैं and they both come from the verb to be. Other participles are used as adjectives before nouns, but remember, been and being are not used as adjectives before noun. Been. Now let us look at the use of the verb been. Been. The word been is the past participle of the verb to be. For comparison, broken is the past participle of the verb break. Eaten is the past participle of the verb eat. As a rule, the word been is always used after to have. be को यूज करते हैं could, should और would के साथ। उसी तरह हम been को भी यूज करते हैं could have, should have and would have के साथ। For example, you should have been on time for the meeting. The presentation would have been better. He could have been injured. Now let us look at the use of being, B-E-I-N-G, being. The word being is the present participle of the verb to be. It is also the continuous form of the verb. For comparison, we can say moving is the continuous form of move. Eating continuous form है eat का. The verb being is used with Am, is, are, that is present continuous, and was, were, past continuous. For example, the dog is being naughty. The action is ongoing in the present. The action is continuous in the present. Now let us look at another example. More and more patients were being shifted to civil hospital. I will give you one more rule about the use of being. Being can also be used after these verbs. First verb is avoid. Avoid being late for the meeting. Enjoy. I enjoy being a housewife. Can't stand. I can't stand being ignored. Don't mind. I don't mind being with you. Look forward. I look forward to being at the party. Practice. I practice being a musician. Spend time. I spend time being a doctor. I spend time with patients being a doctor. Stop. Stop being a bully. Stop being lazy. Use being after a preposition. Being preposition के बाद यूज हो सकता है, बट बी और बीन, बी डबल ई एंड बीन prepositions के बाद यूज नहीं होते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज अ preposition? preposition वो शब्द होता है जैसे on, at, after, with, जो हम nouns, pronouns और phrases को सेंटेंस में लिंक यानी जोड़ने के लिए यूज करते हैं. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट अ सेंटेंस. The problem with being late is that people do not trust you. The best part of being a teacher is interacting with students. Being can also be used as a noun. What are we? We are human beings. Yes, noun. And some alien, that is some strange being, came from the space. So that being का एक और यूज बताती हूँ आपको. Being is also used as a gerund. Now what is a gerund? Gerund is also a type of noun. Here, when we use being as a gerund, we talk about the existence. It is similar to like something is existing. कोई चीज़ हमारे पास है, हम कुछ हैं. So for example, do you like being clumsy all the time? I like being a teacher. So here I am existing as a teacher. This hope by now the entire concept of be, been and being must be clear to you. You can also watch my video which talks about the use of the verb to be as main verb and auxiliary verb, and link of that video has been given in the description below. Thanks for watching the video and bye.